cider donut layer cake. Rach, what's up? It's Christina from Milk Bar. Okay, first off, happy Sweet 16. I figured we should tell the story of fall through your birthday cake. So you ready for your Sweet 16 apple cider donut layer cake? That's the flavor story, my friend, and here's how it's done. So we make this incredible cinnamon scented apple cider donut actual cake sponge, and we cut rounds of cake out from it so that we get this beautiful unfrosted on the sides layered cake. We take all the cake scraps left over and re-roll them into little bite-sized pieces of cake called apple cider cake truffles. Ours are unfrosted on the sides, so we use that fancy piece of acetate so that we can build a cake in a ring knowing that we don't have to fuss about the sides because every single one of them is perfect every time. So cake goes down first and foremost, then soak. This is a milk that is scented with donuts. So think of steeping your favorite apple cider donut in a little bit of milk so that you get all those like beautiful, delicious fried fall notes. And soak is what gives the cake a little bit more flavor, but also that really, really, really nice, moist, thin frosting. It's kind of like a sweet cream frosting that we fold some caramelized donut crumb bits into to get a little bit more of that flavor down. Then a little bit of texture. I like a little peekaboo moment where you get a little crunch, something sandy, something a little unexpected and magical. And that's where we use these caramelized donut crumbs that we make in-house. Then another layer of the donut frosting. And by the way, are you checking this out? This is like the spoon bended just a little bit at the neck, and all of a sudden it becomes this beautiful offset spatula type kitchen tool. And then a little bit of apple cider jam. It gives you a little bit of that bright, fresh apple cider note, and we build that all the way back up again. I'm gonna finish this one up so that we can both scream, happy birthday, happy Sweet 16 to each other, happy fall. Remember, every cake has a story. Bye, Rach.
Thank you to Hicks, the makers of my favorite cider donuts as a child. And thank you to Christina again. If you're in New York City, you have to check out Milk Bar. It's a must-see, must-eat destination, especially if you love sweets. And again, we celebrate her in this adorable, really beautiful book about all the joy that baking and food and cooking can bring to children and to all of us. It'll keep you a kid at heart. Every Cake Has a Story was really, literally sweet. I read it this morning for the very first time. Thank you, Christina.